So we are starting really early today, as you can see a little bit the project, because it's getting complicated. We don't have time to finish the things. So we need to keep pushing and try for, at the end of the week, start the engine and see if we can manage to finish the project before I'm leaving to Japan, because it's just 1 month away. So we will try to push and see. Today we have here the engine that we want to put it inside the gearbox. Hopefully we can put the things together and start moving with the engine. The brakes looks really sick. We need to still paint the rims. We will make the side decor to the people. But I have to say, it's getting in shape. Let's see after today putting the engine. We have a light flywheel to mount in the engine with the reinforced clutch. With the light flywheel, we have the engine to ride to higher revs, faster, but the idle of the car is gonna be a little bit unstable. Make sure to tie the bolts in cross to avoid damaging the clutch diaphragm. We are using the blue Loctite to make sure that the bolts will not get loose. There is a piece that I always forget with these cars, and I will never learn, that is the magic separator that is going with the gearbox. So this piece is going here, just before the clutch. So I always keep forgetting. So the solution that I find with is just to cut it. So I will make a small cut, and after you will see that it's gonna be way easier to put, even if you forget. It's not the normal way to put the gearbox with the engine, but I was alone and I was trying to connect the gearbox to the engine in the best way. I don't recommend to do that alone, it's better always to ask for a hand, so this time I managed it. Installing the engine in the car, it's always an important moment. It's really easy to scratch the paint. Let's see if we can manage to put it in once.
I'm gonna assemble the rear wing now. And now I am cleaning this part because I have to put this protection here to protect the body.
next step, it's gonna be to finish everything inside the engine. And I want to show you one special thing, that it's about the brake lines. The brake lines are in this car. It's quite tricky to put everything together. So we managed to do it okay. Now the tricky part. All this mess that you see around, we're gonna take these hoses that they look really bad on top of the engine bay, and we're gonna put it under. So from outside, you will not able to see the hoses, and it's gonna be looking way cleaner. Prepare the hose, and we cover a little bit the brake lines. So now we're gonna be forcing it and putting it under to look way nicer. As you can see, it's really easy to do. Don't worry bending the hoses, as they are really flexible. Less mess in your engine, just for free. And here you have the result, a clean engine bay with less nasty hoses. All the projects have a difficult point, where you are not sure if you are gonna be able to make it or not. Hopefully in the next video, we can tell you that everything is going smoothly. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to support the project. See you in the next video.